have the following question. Use the given substitutions to find the following indefinite integrals. Okay, we've been told what to use. Okay, the first one, to use u as this. Okay, so that means if u is this, then the u for x dx. So according to the question, we have 2x dx. So I'm going to split this one into 2, and that will be equal to 2 times 2x dx. Remove these 2 from this place. That will be du over 2 is equal to 2x dx. Then our question will now become, I have now this one, then 2x dx. So that will be equal to, this is u, that's u to the power 4. Then this one is what? Is du over 2. Then we can take these 2 outside, and that will be equal to half integral u to the power 4 du. And that will be equal to 1 over 2. If you integrate this one, this will be u5 over 5 plus what? Plus c. So your answer is what? 1 over 10 u. Return your u back. Your u is what? Your u is x squared plus 1 to the power 5, then plus c. And that's that on this question. Question 2, we are also instructed to use u as this. Okay, find your du dx. That's 8x dx. So, and we have that. So our question will now become cos u. And don't forget, we can bring this one together. 8x dx. That's du. Okay. And if you integrate cos, that will give you sine of the function sine u. So I'm going to return the u back. My u is what? And then finally plus what? Plus c. So that's that on the second one. The third one, u is equal to what? Sine x. So du is equal to what? Cos x dx. We now have that will be equal to integral of u to the power 3 cos x dx. That's the u. So integrate that. That's u to the power 4 over 4 plus c. Return your u back. Have this over 4 plus c. So that's that on that question. Just come back here and substitute for your u. Your u is sine x. So do that, and you have that. So the last one, so that's my u. Differentiate that. So that will be 6x plus 1x. I need to close it because it's an expression. It's not a single item. My question now, this one, so that will be equal to integral of square root of u. This one is what? Is du. This will be equal to integral of u to the power half. If you remove the radical, du. Then do the integral of this, the power plus 1, that's u, 3 over 2, all over 3 over 2, and that will be 2 over 3 plus what? Plus c. Finally, return the u back. So that will be 2 over 3 times 3x squared plus this, and then plus c. So that's my answer for that. So that's that on the. Please, at this point, kindly click on the watermarks on the video and subscribe. Okay, that is one of the ways to support this channel. Don't stop there. Click on like button and begin to type your comments. I guarantee you I'll respond to your comments as fast as possible. Finally, share the links of this video on all your social media platform. Thank you for doing that. The next video will be what? Use of change of variable to solve indefinite integral.